Who remembers this furry guy right here then, guys? Oh, what a time to be alive. Tamadoge is pumping at the moment, and it's been a long time, Tama Army, hasn't it, since we've seen some real positive movement, but we are getting it today, all in anticipation and speculation of the arcade launch, which is happening very, very soon. We've now seen gameplay and much, much more. We've also got the Tamaverse for the future as well, so it's really, really cool to see this happening. Tama is up 8% on that daily time frame, up literally 10% against Bitcoin at $0.0185, $19 million market cap, so still a lot of upside potential for the future. And looking at the last 7 days, we can see Tama has pumped massively, basically because of all this fantastic news. Huge lump of resistance around that 2 cents level. It's very much remaining to be a psychological level. If you're new to the channel, by the way, guys, get yourself into the Discord down below. We have a Tamadoge section, and there's also loads of other pre-sales that you can explore in the link section, because I know you all love them. So here was a big announcement. Huge announcement from Tamadoge Army. The wait is finally over. The first Tamadoge arcade game, Super Doge, is launching today, and there is a few snippets of the gameplay which looks absolutely wild. You know, it's reminding us of those old school side scrollers like Super Mario, even Cuphead, and other amazing games like that. And here is the Super Doge gameplay as well, a little bit more. We can see the guy collecting some coins. Really old school arcade gameplay right there. So what else is also very exciting is top memes tokens by market capitalization. The overall space is worth 18 billion, but we can see Tamadoge is actually pumping massively, and it's getting a lot of healthy volume. $5 million in the last 24 hours, and it's up 25% against that 7-day time frame. So it's moving quickly, it's moving fast. It's ranked 605 at the moment, and looking at where most of the volume is coming from, it's from Deepcoin, OKX, and Uniswap decentralized exchange. So interesting, guys. What do we think could potentially happen here? I know you guys love pre-sales, by the way, so a little plug to some that we've got down below. I'm actually heavily invested in this one here, MeMag. It's the MetaMasters Guild, the fastest growing play to earn guild. They've got some crazy games already in the pipeline. We can see they've got Metacart Races, MetaMasters World, Raid NFT, and some awesome immersive NFTs right here, which are pretty cool, as long as a long-term bullish roadmap and fully KYC'd, doxed, transparent team. I've got about $4,000 worth. This is in stage 3. So if you fancy a round 2 of Tamadoge, the link for the MetaMasters Guild presale is just down below. Of course, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Don't risk your rent money. Don't risk whatever you owe your drug dealer. Don't risk, whatever you owe your girlfriend. And just please, please be sensible with what you're risking. None of this is financial advice. So we can see at the moment, Tamadoge is basically pumping, and it is getting rejected at that key level time and time again of around about 0.197. So that's clearly a big area of resistance. It was resistance before here as well back in December 2022. So 3 consecutive green candles. We're probably a bit overbought as well. On the RSI, we can see we're sitting at 70, and the volume is chopping down at the moment. So resistance there. I would imagine a retest of the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which means we would potentially see some more downward play to around that 0.1675 level. That 0.01675 level, just like that, and maybe then we'll get a bounce up. But right now, this 0.0191 is still a resistance, and of course 0.021 is as well. Now, for the future, if we did get a massive pump for Tamadoge, exit strategy, I'd be looking to take out of 0.04, which is currently around a 111% increase from current price levels. If the game does go really, really well and we see loads of juicy volume, there'd be some take profit zones, I think, for Tamadoge. So yes, lots of resistance, but we are equally getting a lot of buying pressure at that 0.016 level. Very, very exciting time to be alive for the Tamadoge army, and things are looking really, really good. They've got 66.8k followers now, and just scrolling through, getting some big partnerships and collabs too. I think there's a lot of excitement, but we really should wait for the game to actually launch and see how it plays, how it feels, what it's going to offer to people. This is quite interesting. You can see this bit of gameplay here, running around the leaderboards with contract address, or the the unique wallet address, shall I say. And we see 2,207 credits left, 964,900 Tama tokens. That's so awesome to see this right now. I don't know if that's what you can retrieve or gain from playing. but it does look amazing as a play to earn coin. So this could be one of the most fascinating, fun meme coins ever, and it could continue to be doing amazing stuff. Be sure to check out the Meta Masters Guild as well. It's only got 1 billion tokens. It is an ERC20 token as well, and there are 7 pre-sale phases with just a $5 million hard cap. So do take a look at it, guys. I know this was meant to be strictly about Tamadoge, but I couldn't resist but to also show you this one here because it's also play to earn, and it could be very, very exciting. Not financial advice, of course. Now, targets for Tamadoge over the next quarter, I think the realistic level is 0.021. Let's see if we can retrieve that level, and then once that happens, we can start looking at some more pragmatic targets as well. I mean, 0.018 has now been achieved, but I would say the 0.382 of 0.022 and then the 0.026 level as well for Tamadoge to hopefully retrieve. Fear and greed index today is 51, so the market sentiment is going back to being a bit kind of neutral. And guys, I honestly can't believe this, but someone has made a freaking Telegram account, and I don't have a Telegram, so this is a scam group. Please, if you see this Telegram or someone's asking you to join it, just report it. Same for WhatsApp. The only place you can contact us, guys, is in the Discord, which is linked down below for you. So do have a little look at that. Come say hi and don't be shy. See you later, guys. Bye now.